Guatemala, the people of Ixcan, Chiche are dismayed by the death of 3 fighters who defended the right to health of the marginalized. With a caravan, they paid tribute to the commitment they fulfilled until the end. Watch the following story by our correspondent Santiago Botón.
Una madre con su hijo en brazos.
A mother, with her son in her arms, joined the crowd that came out to dignify 3 social activists who died in a traffic accident while returning from the Guatemalan capital to demand the right to health for the Ixcanico people.
We return with sad and regrettable news that today leaves us with a great void within the people of Ixcan and within the entire committee of struggle.
Entre los fallecidos se encuentran
Among the deceased are a professional nurse and 2 community authorities, one of whom is Pedro Ricardo Gomez, re-elected on January 30th, who swore to defend his land and just causes.
It
is unthinkable that we should have to ask for projects, but hopefully the death of these 3 brothers will make our rulers aware of the neglect they have done to their people.
En Guatemala, más del 40%.
In Guatemala, more than 40% of the population does not have decent access to health care. In the municipality of Ixcan, it is even more critical because 8 years ago, a hospital project was abandoned due to corruption, according to those affected.
What we want is the continuity of the hospital, that it be completed because we want dignified care for our population, and that was our objective for the trip.
La lucha por el derecho a la salud.
The fight for the right to health care, denied by the state, is only part of a long battle that several of the more than 200 marginalized communities have been waging since they settled the land more than half a century ago, they say.
We have this history of struggle and resistance, and this is the reality of Primavera, that we take these steps in defense of human rights, for the common good of the community and of the municipality and at the national level.
La muerte de estos 3 mártires.
The death of these 3 health martyrs coincides with the 43rd anniversary of the first massacre perpetrated by the army in Ixcan.
La masacre de Cuarto Pueblo
The Cuarto Pueblo massacre marked the beginning of the scorched earth policy in Guatemala. The army killed more than 400 people, including children, the elderly and pregnant women in the village of Cuarto Pueblo Ixcan, on March 13th and 14th, 1982.
Santiago Botón, teleSUR Norte de Guatemala.